2020 Honda HR-V Touring, 2020 Honda HR-V XL, 2020 Honda HR-V Sport, 2020 Honda HR-V Turbo, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Honda brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Honda HR-V Touring, 2020 Honda HR-V XL, 2020 Honda HR-V Sport, 2020 Honda HR-V Turbo, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Honda HR-V Touring, 2020 Honda HR-V XL, 2020 Honda HR-V Sport, 2020 Honda HR-V Turbo, new cars by. Honda revealed the second age group of the HR-V back again at the 2015 New York Auto Show. However, the handful of folks comprehend the car has basically existed due to the fact 2014 for the reason that Vezel. The two patterns are basically related to one another with all the only real differentiation getting the title. Regardless of the proven fact that not principle, it now appears to be an upgrade could be on its approach. Until now the info is nonetheless constrained, nevertheless, it appears to be the impending 2020 Honda HR-V could be the facelift men and women have been looking for. 2020 Honda HR-V Review. Until now the details continue to constrained, and the manufacturer has but to confirm it. Even so, it appears to be like the manufacturer new HR-V is likely to be a lot better searching, more potent plus more powerful. The brand name new car might also get a somewhat more focus from Honda whenever it problems the full setup of provided features. As we explained previously mentioned, the HR-V is normally a hatchback using a fairly higher floor clearance. Nicely, this is not likely to adjust for the company fresh 2020 Honda CR-V. The vehicle continues to utilize the exact same unusual visual appeal as before which many people get pleasure from. The front end can get a considerably different establish of front lights and maybe a company brand new grille likewise. The fender will completely feature greater consumptions and a manufacturer new establish of fog lights. The end result is likely to make the HR-V visual appeal even closer the company new CR-V. The car's rear conclusion, on the contrary, may possibly dump the massive tail lighting fixtures, for one thing, a much more delicate. Even so, the massive roof structure spoiler is out there to be that can protect the racer persona the exact same. 2020 Honda HR-V Redesign. The cabin from the car is properly chosen, spacious for the way that it is and well made. However, the middle management pile is a wreck when the infotainment process is awful. These will unquestionably modify while using 2020 Honda HR-V. For starters, the changed car will incorporate actual switches for the setting manages and the car's other features. Although these usually do not appear as excellent, they are normally significantly better with regards to use. Ahead of these, the infotainment method has to be transformed by Honda's newest. This will likely incorporate a volume level button along with a husband and wife far more control keys. The rear friends may possibly similarly get a variety of universal serial bus plug-ins when the high-shine plastic material all over the cabin could possibly be altered with one thing a little classier. 2020 Honda HR-V engine. Honda is making use of the current model has a 1.8-liter power plant on the USA industry. Having 141 horse potential, this is not specifically the most beneficial in the industry. However, it suffices for many individuals whilst getting amongst the more efficient on the market. It seems that the forthcoming 2020 Honda HR-V is not will be readily accessible with this particular engine. Instead, Honda will greater than almost certainly use their manufacturer fresh turbocharged motors on the brand name new HR-V 2020. The bottom model is almost certainly gonna incorporate a 1-liter turbo 3 which is recognized to help make around 110 horse strength and 120 lb-ft of torque. The better stock versions of the car can get a 1.5-liter turbo, a number of which is at present ideal for anything at all somewhere between 160 and also 200 horse strength. Each of them is more than likely gonna be provided with a half a dozen speed manual or even a programmed, possibly a manufacturer new 8-10 speed transmission. As in the prior, a 4-tire generate method will continue being supplied as a decision. Release date and price for 2020 Honda HR-V. In contrast to its precursor, the current HR-V is based on the exact same platform as the match. This suggests it is a front side tire push hatchback which includes in fact been considerably elevated away from the terrain. A final result is a crossover place whilst experiencing the very same buying attributes as a hatchback. The improve should improve the car's security rating by a great border also. Though the chassis will remain the very same, the provided basic safety gear will improve. Seems like the manufacturer new base model can consist of things such as sending incident care, rear goes across website traffic inform, a driver consciousness program as nicely as lane continue to keep assist as simple. Up to now, the release date has nevertheless being presented. Even so, considering the old model, it is risk-free to suppose the impending 2020 HRV will probably be uncovered in the 2018 New York Auto Show. Its cost must keep at around the identical levels as those of its forerunner. Thanks.